To adjust permissions on the Realme C71, all you simply have to do is first go for the settings. From here, you'll have to scroll down and go for the security and privacy right here. Let's go in there, and from here you have to scroll down again and you will be able to find privacy controls, and below it says permissions and controls. So let's go in here and we can find the permission manager. So let's tap on this one, and here we can find all of these different permissions which we can manage, and there are like a lot of them pretty much. So from here what we have to do is just find any permission that you'd like to manage. So for example, let's manage the location permissions. Let's tap on this one, and here you can see all of these applications which are allowed to use location, allowed only in use, and these that are not allowed to use the location permissions at all. So now it depends what you want to do actually. If you'd like to remove access for the location permission to any application, you'll have to go for the allowed right here, and let's say that I want to remove this location access for the Google app. So let's tap on this one and simply select don't allow, just like this. Press don't allow anyway, and yeah, now this application is not allowed to use location permissions at all. And if you want to grant the location permissions to any app, simply find it in this list, and let's tap on this one, and from here simply select how you'd like to allow these permissions. If you would like to ask application every time you want to use it, or allow only while using the application, or allow at all the times. So for the maps application, I'd like to allow only while I'm using it. Simply select this one and now go back, and as you go all the way to the top, you'll be able to find this maps application which is allowed to use these location permissions only while in use. And that's pretty much it. That's how you can adjust all of these different permissions right here. Thank you for watching.